Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the error. No JVM could be found on your system on your Windows 11 PC. This error generally occurs when a Java Virtual Machine, JVM, is either not installed on your computer or is not properly configured. This can prevent Java-based applications from running correctly. First, let's check if Java is installed on your system. Open the command prompt by pressing Windows R, typing cmd, and hitting Enter. Then type Java version and press Enter. If Java is installed, you'll see version information. If not, you'll see an error message saying, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. If Java isn't installed, you'll need to download and install it. Open your browser and search for Java for Windows. Click on the official Java download page link, which I'll also include in the description below. On the Java download page, go to the Windows section, click on the Windows Offline 64-bit button, and save the file to your preferred location. Next, find the downloaded Java executable file and double-click it to start the installation. If you see a pop-up asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" click Yes. Then, click Install to begin the installation process. Once it's finished, click Close. To ensure the changes take effect, refresh your Windows screen or restart your computer if necessary. This helps apply all the settings correctly. Finally, to verify that everything is set up properly, open your Java-based application or a new command prompt window and type Java version again. You should now see the Java version information without any errors. That's it. You should now be able to run Java applications without encountering the No JVM error. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.